Hello everybody. So through this session we'll do our next poem, that is Animals by Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman actually feels more at home with animals. At home, comfortable. He's more comfortable with animals because he finds humans complicated and false. And that's why he wants to turn away from the company of humans and start living with animals. In the very first stanza, very first line, he says, I think I could turn and live with animals. That I want to turn away from the company of humans and start living with animals. Why? Because they are so placid and self-contained. They are so quiet and calm and self-contained, self-satisfied. They are not like humans. Talking about never satisfied. The person who is not having a motorcycle, he wants a motorcycle. A person who has motorcycle, he wants a car. A person has a car, he wants a bigger one or more cars. The person who has many cars, he wants helicopter. Never satisfied with their condition. And he says that animals are not like that. They are self-contained, placid. And that's why I find such type of qualities in them. And the poet got surprised with that, and I stand and look at them long and long. He said that then I went to them, I stood with them, and I watched them, looked at them for a long time. Further, in the second stanza, poet says, they do not sweat and whine about their condition. They, who are they? Animals. Poet says they are not like human beings. They never sweat and whine. Sweat and whine means they don't talking about cry about their condition. Always, oh, I am poor. Oh, I don't have this. Oh, I don't have that. Animals are not like that. Animals don't behave like humans. They don't cry over their condition. They do not lie awake in the dark and weep for their sins. Poet says animals are not sinners. They don't do wrong things. Humans first of all do wrong things. They cheat people, they rob people, they are dishonest, they are liars. First of all they do such type of things. And then they are afraid that what happens if their truth will be revealed, and that thing is not allowing them to sleep at night. So they don't lie awake at night in dark and weep for their sins, and then they used to cry, oh, I had done this, oh God, forgive me. Animals are not like that. That's why the poet says I want to go to animals and I want to live with them. They do not make me sick discussing their duty to gods. Further, the poet says that animals are not like that, that they are not always discussing their duties towards God. Oh, we should do this, we should do that. God, what will God say? What will God? Okay, we should help the poor. We should not never speak lie. We should never tell a lie or whatever. Duties toward the God. And then they do opposite of that only. Poet says animals are not like that. They don't make me sick, they don't trouble me while discussing their duties toward the God. Not one is dissatisfied. Not a single animal is dissatisfied. And not one is demented with the mania of owning things. And not one is a mad. No, not a single animal is mad with the mania. Mania is a strong desire of owning, possessing, collecting things. Property, money, bank balance, jewelry. I want this also, I want that also. Animals are not like that. They don't have that mania. They don't have that strong desire. And further, other quality is not one kneels to another. Not a single animal kneels in front of other animal, bend in front of other animal, request, beg other animal like humans. Talking about humans, they used to beg others, they used to request others for their selfish ends. Animals are not like that. Nor even to his kind that lives thousands of years ago. And animals are not like that, that they will bend, they will require, they will beg their own kind, means the animals which had lived long thousands of years ago, like humans do. Humans used to kneel, humans used to request, humans used to beg, humans used to worship their own kind which lived thousands of years ago. Here Walt Whitman is saying that humans used to kneel before God, goddesses, prophets, saints. They are humans only, but they have made them God, goddesses, prophets and saints, and then he worshipped them, he kneels in front of them, he begged for talking about granting wishes to them. Animals are not like that. Not one is respectable or unhappy over the whole earth. Either the animals, they are not like humans, that somebody is respected so much that we become fan of them, or somebody is made God that we start worshipping them. Animals are not like that. They are equal, whether those who have lived now or those who have lived thousands of years back. So they show their relations to me. So the poet says, I feel more comfortable with them. These qualities I find that these are mine quality also. I also have such qualities. And that's why I accept them. And that's why I want to live with them. So they show me relations to me and I accept them. They bring me tokens of myself. They show my signs, whatever signs, whatever qualities I have, they show those signs in them, tokens in them. They evince them plainly in their position. They do have those qualities in them clearly. I wonder where they had got those tokens. The poet says that I am totally surprised that animals, from where had they got such qualities? Poet is saying that I do have such qualities, and animals are having such qualities, and I appreciate them. I am more comfortable with them. Did I pass that way huge times ago? He said that I wonder, and negligently dropped them. He said I wonder if sometimes back in the past I passed from them and negligently, unknowingly dropped those qualities which they have now adopted. Now, all in all, what Walt Whitman wants to say, that animals are more cultured as compared to humans. Animals are not hypocrite. They are not liars. They are not cheaters. They are not killers. They are not murderers. They are equal among themselves. Not one of them is higher or below to anybody. There is no caste system. There is no religion. Everybody is same. Nobody is God. Nobody is a worshipper. All are same. And that's why the poet says that he feels more comfortable in their company, and that's why he wants to turn to them. So that's all about Walt Whitman's Animals. Thank you.